Are you struggling online to try to make your first sale? Or perhaps to make some results online? HTAA is a form of training platform that teaches how to create an affiliate marketing business with no technical knowledge or skills required. This platform can be a great stepping stone for you that will help you do what you're passionate about. What's included? Number 1, Build Accelerator. Number 2, Elevate Accelerator. Number 3, Transcend Accelerator. Number 4, Extra Bonuses. Number 5, Training. What makes High Ticket Affiliate Accelerator different? It has no monthly fees. It has a weekly Q&A calls, includes free methods that actually works. Its culture involves people who care about you and your results. It includes a Facebook chat group with leaders who share their strategies that you can implement. In conclusion, if you're just getting started and you're wondering how to start an online business, this platform will teach you what kind of content that will help you build your brand and your audience. So if you don't have the budget for paid marketing, this platform can be very helpful and it actually works. Moreover, HTAA is different because people actually care about you and your results, unlike other training programs. So, if you're ought to make a long-term and sustainable business, High Ticket Affiliate Accelerator might be the solution for your prevailing business problems.